Welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be installing the 1,500-pound swing back jack that you can install on your utility trailer. The difference on this one here is we have the dual wheels itself. I was going to install it on the outside, but I'm actually got enough room that I can install it right in the middle. So let's go ahead and get started. The hardest part about this project is if you're doing it by yourself, holding it in place may be a little bit difficult for you to do. So just use a little patience and you'll get it. So, it's going to come with some bolts. You may find you have to get some longer ones. I did because this is just a lot thicker than what you would normally put it on. If I put it over here and this was narrower, I would have been okay. But I had to get some bolts that were about 1.5 inches longer, what it came with. Alright, so I've already kind of marked it out where I want it. You want to be able to swing that up and be out of the way. And then you want to be able to swing that down, and so when you're cranking it, you're not hitting on everything. I'm going to cut this off here eventually. Alright, so let's go ahead and put our first bolt in. And the bracket's going to go on the back side, just like this. I'm going to actually use my knee to hold that. And this one here I'm basically going to use just to kind of hold it in place so I can get everything else started. Should be close enough. We'll go ahead and put my other bolt in. And what's nice about these bolt-on is you can adjust this later on. I'm going to come back to that one as well and put my washer on. I just want to use this to hold it up there while I get everything started. Just like that. Come down below. Now here, I probably can go ahead and put my washer on. A lock washer and my nut. Now that I've got them kind of holding it on there, I can go back and put my washer and lock nut on this one right here. Now I just snug those so I can see how it's going to work. Okay, probably this is a good time to swing that handle around and just go ahead and take that, swing it around like that. Not a whole lot to bite on in there with a 10mm, so I'm going to get the old vice grips out. There she is. Alright, so all I wanted to do was just kind of check and see if I've got enough clearance. And I do. I'm real happy with that. I'm going to jack that up. I'm not getting in the way of anything. If anything, I might swing that head about a couple of inches or so. But I'm good to go on that. So let's go ahead and snug this down. Okay, well there it is. It's all installed, ready to rock and roll. So what I'll do now is I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. You can stay around for that. And then eventually I'm going to take this off and I'll roll it around and try it out. But I see no reason why it would not work. I'll take a little tongue weight off it. Oh yeah, it's lifting up the trailer with no problem. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.